Regarding the CST 230, the third in the sequence of the database programming courses, I envision this focusing on a professional networking application, somewhat resembling functionality borrowed from LinkedIn, but without the social aspect. I envision this to be a site where professionals network with each other through creating affinity groups based on automatically mining their skill sets. So students would create the mechanism to build a resume, to build an e-portfolio, to build maybe some video into it, show some experience. Maybe you can think of other categories. It's basically advertise themselves to the extent possible to the employment community. On the other hand, we'll have the ability to create job requirements, which will then sift through the database and automatically identify matches. And I want to take this one notch higher. Not just one job posting, but something that I would call a team builder. So for example, you could define 5 positions within an R&D team, which will then look through the database and automatically fill in the seats, maybe a round table or some other graphical display that shows that that team is complete. Maybe we can put a graphic that has the background of a lab, and we'll say we need a vacancy in front of this computer, a vacancy in front of the other computer, some metaphors like that. Just on the visual, but the visual is not the main thing, it's still the database. So the ability to mine the information in the database to create affinity groups, to create teams, maybe to improve the visibility of students towards potential employers, and not just a resume. So I would like the information stored there on behalf of each user to be more than a resume in the traditional sense. So it's more of a multimedia profile. This is where you can look for LinkedIn as a source of inspiration, or where the resume or the presence of LinkedIn comprises of some written components, some presentations, some videos, links, or anything else you guys creatively can come up with.